Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to get a Coinbase card. First, ensure you have a fully verified Coinbase account. This means your identity verification must be complete and up to date. Also, confirm that you reside in an eligible country where the Coinbase card is available. Meeting these initial requirements is crucial before proceeding with your application. Once you meet the eligibility criteria, open your Coinbase app and find the card section. Depending on availability, you might need to join a waitlist or directly click Apply for the card. Follow the prompts to complete the application form, providing all necessary personal details accurately. This step is straightforward and guides you through the process. Hey everyone, if you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. Quick recommendation: managing your finances and staying updated with crypto prices is easier with a smart assistant. Bring your space to life with the Echo Dot smart speaker. You can find the link and other great deals in the description below. Now, let's get back to the video. After your application is approved, you can link your preferred cryptocurrency or fiat balance to your Coinbase card. This allows you to spend your crypto holdings anywhere Visa debit cards are accepted, both online and in physical stores. Plus, you'll earn valuable crypto rewards on eligible purchases, adding extra value to your everyday spending.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.